Hey, that's my car. Hey, that's my house. Hey, that's my life. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, why isn't this me? You work hard, you put in effort, yet you're still not getting what you really want. Why? Most people make 5 key mistakes that keep them from breaking through to a new level in life. Today, I will show you these mistakes and explain exactly how I avoided them and achieved what I once could only dream of. Hello friends, my name is Nathan and I'm a professional trader. 9 years ago, I was just a waiter working 10-hour shifts, taking orders from my boss, and watching successful people live the life I wanted, thinking, one day. But then I realized, one day doesn't exist. There are only actions that either bring you closer to your goal or push you further away from that. Last year, I completely changed my reality. Now I control my own time, I choose where to travel, how to live, and most importantly, I never worry about savings anymore. How did I do it? Watch this video until the end because I'm gonna break down a step-by-step system that will allow you to follow the same path. And if you wanna speed up your progress, don't waste time. Click the link in the description and join my investor club. That's where I share information that never makes it to YouTube. The choice is yours. Take action. At this moment, you have the opportunity to join my trading community, a place where thousands of members are already taking confident steps in mastering trading. Here are the real results from our members over the past week. Impressive, right? How does it work? Every day, I host live trading sessions, analyze trades in real time, and explain every action in detail. You'll be able to watch and learn and understand the processes alongside me. Even if you are a beginner, the learning format is clear and accessible. No overloaded theory, just practice. Important, the number of spots in the community is limited since I personally dedicate time to each member. If you wanted to learn more, don't wait. Click the link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and get access for free. Pause this video, subscribe and come back. The most important part is still ahead. So, here's our plan for today. We're starting with 20 and seeing where we end up. First, we select the most relevant currency pairs for today. Now, I'll add the moving average indicator to the main settings and adjust it. While setting it up, let me quickly explain how it works. The moving average indicator, also known as a simple moving average, helps identify the trend direction. Today we're using 2 lines. Blue line, period 10, a fast moving average that reacts to minor changes in the chart. White line, period 25, a slow moving average that helps define the overall trend. If the blue line crosses the white line, it signals a trend change. When the blue line crosses the white line from top to bottom, the market is starting to decline. When the blue line crosses the white line from bottom to top, the market is expected to rise. Now that everything is set, let's get started. I'm starting with an Australian dollar and a New Zealand dollar. We have an interesting situation here. Initially, the market was moving up, but then the trend weakened and a decline began. Now, let's check the moving average indicator. The blue line has crossed the white line from top to bottom. This is the first sign of a trend reversal. After that, the price reached the support level but failed to break through, leading to a sideways movement. This is called a narrow range, where the price fluctuates between 2 levels without a clear direction. The blue line is clearly pointing downward, which is a strong signal for us. We confidently enter a downward trade from an upper boundary of a range. Great start. Let's keep going. Now, let's move on to this pair and make some adjustments. Here we have a different situation. Initially, there was a downtrend, but then it reversed. The blue line crossed the white line from bottom to top, signaling a potential upward movement. After that, the price entered a sideways range and the indicator lines became slightly entangled. However, the key observation here is that candles are pressing against the upper boundary. This indicates that buying pressure is increasing. If the upward movement continues, there is a high probability of a breakout and the start of a new trend. We will enter a buy trade as the price approaches the upper boundary of a range with strong bullish candles, confirming the momentum shift. We got it right again. Let's keep going. Next pair, next setup. Here we have a strong uptrend. All indicator values pointing upward, confirming that the overall price movement is bullish. However, even in strong trends, corrections happens. These are temporary pullbacks before the trend resumes. Right now, the correction is coming to an end, making this the perfect moment to enter a buy trade, expecting the uptrend to continue. That's right, the main thing is to understand where it is just a correction or where it is a real trend reversal. That's exactly why we need our indicators. Understanding market movements is the foundation of successful trading. But what if I had a mentor who could help you analyze complex situations and guide you on how to act? I constantly break down real trading cases with my subscribers, answer questions, and give recommendations to help you grow faster in trading. You won't just be learning, you'll be applying knowledge in real time. And it's completely free. I will personally help you with any questions, provide real-time market analysis, and give you practical trading every single day. The link to my club is in the description under this video or in the pinned comment. You already know where to find it. Join right now. Next up is a Canadian dollar and a Japanese yen. Here we have 138. Looking at the chart, I see a trend break. The price has returned to the white moving average to test it as resistance. This is a typical market behavior. After breaking a level, the price often comes back to retest it, to confirm the breakout. So now, it makes sense to go for a sell, expecting a rebound from the white moving average. Everything is on point. We keep up the pace and move forward. Returning to this pair, 264. As expected, the price broke the level upward and strong movement began. The moving averages are now clearly pointing up. The indicator has fully reversed, so I'm entering a buy trade from a blue line to follow the trend continuation. That's it. No magic, just pure facts and market logic. Let's go back to this pair. Remember to update the value each time. Here we see another correction, but there is no full trend reversal. The price dipped slightly but didn't consolidate below the indicators. After moving back above the moving averages, we follow the trend upward. Excellent, the strategy is working. We're already at 971 and we're just getting started. Now let's check the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Adjusted the value and looking at the chart. All indicator readings are clearly pointing downward. The price is below them and there is strong downward momentum. Not waiting for pullbacks here, just joining the downward movement. We're doing great, already at 1,864 and still going strong. Back to the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Here we have 1,864. The trend is upward, the level has been broken and the price has returned for a retest. The moving averages confirm the uptrend. Perfect setup, entering a buy position. Once again, everything is spot on. Let's take a couple more trades and then wrap it up. Returning to the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. Adjusted to the maximum value. After our previous trade on this pair, a strong decline began. The price is moving downward without correction and the moving averages confirm a downtrend, joining the movement down. And now we're at 5,730. Hopefully you remember where we started. Alright, let's move on to the final pairs for today. I want to finish with this pair. Here we have the maximum value again. As expected, the upward movement continues. The price has consolidated above the indicator, entering a buy position right now. Final move, and our result is excellent, 5,760. Remember, the key is to analyze the situation carefully, stay patient, and follow a clear algorithm. How do you like the result? Do you already feel that change is just around the corner? You just saw how it works in real time, and you've probably realized that the time for change has come. Not everyone dares to take the first step, but if you're ready, you have every chance to start making progress and turn things around today. I created a trading community where people like you are striving for change. We don't wait for perfect conditions. We take action. There is no place for procrastinations here because results only come through action. Their success is the result of persistence, a systematic approach, and the right support. Join my community by clicking the link in the description under this video or in the pinned comment. There, you'll get everything you needed. A step-by-step system, my personal support, and answers to your questions. See you in the community. Let's move forward.